Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Mastering the Grandeur. Key ideas from French Baroque garden design. The French Baroque garden, a style perfected at Versailles, is the ultimate expression of humanity imposing a beautiful and logical order upon nature. These gardens are not mere plantings but vast, open-air architectural compositions designed to reflect the power and intellect of their owner. The core philosophy is one of absolute symmetry and axial dominance, creating a sense of unwavering control and harmony. This approach transforms the landscape into a series of breathtaking vistas that unfold with theatrical precision. Every path, parterre, and water feature is meticulously placed to reinforce the central line of sight. Ultimately, these gardens serve as a stunning testament to the age of reason, where nature is composed into a living work of geometric art. The most defining characteristic of a French Baroque garden is its rigid central axis that extends from the chateau outward, seemingly to infinity. This main avenue acts as the garden's backbone, with every single element arranged symmetrically on either side to create perfect visual balance. This powerful line not only organizes the entire landscape, but also deliberately draws the eye towards the horizon, emphasizing the sheer scale of the estate. This axial plan is a direct representation of a desire for total control over the natural environment, taming the wilderness into geometric perfection. Secondary paths and alleys often intersect this main axis at right angles, forming a clear and logical grid-like structure. The overall effect is one of overwhelming grandeur and impeccable order, making the visitor feel as though they are walking through a carefully drafted architectural plan. French Baroque gardens are an extension of the chateau's architecture, seamlessly blending built structures with the planted landscape. Ornate parterres de broderie, resembling intricate embroidery patterns made from clipped boxwood and colored gravel, act as outdoor carpets viewable from the main residence. These elaborate designs are complemented by strategically placed architectural features like stairways, balustrades, and strategically positioned statues of mythological figures. Furthermore, water is employed not as a natural element, but as a dynamic architectural material, used in reflective canals, geometrically shaped pools, and spectacular fountains. The Grand Canal at Versailles is a prime example, functioning as a vast reflecting mirror that amplifies the sky and captures the perfect symmetry of the surroundings. Together, these elements create a theatrical multisensory experience where art and nature are fused into a single majestic composition.